Hello again everyone, if you are a returning viewer, or welcome if you are new. Welcome to my next nail set of the crystal series, which is fluorite, or rainbow fluorite if you want to be more precise. And I hope you like it, guys. Let me know what you think and what your thoughts are, and I will get right into it and show you how I did it. Okay, for this set what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint all the nails in the aqua green jelly color, but I'm going to start off with the thumb first and just sort of complete a nail so that I can see how it's going to go. So I'm just going to put the aqua green gel over the entire nail, and then I will cure it and come back and we'll do the other nails. Okay, that has been cured. Now I did put a thin layer of blooming gel over this nail, and I'm just adding some more of the aqua color, and then I'm going to add some of the purple, and these are all jelly colors, and I'm just going to add some of that onto the nail and sort of let it do its work, and then I'm going to get a thinner brush and put in some more of the purple lines. Okay, so I'm basically going to go and do the exact same thing to all of the nails. I'll put on one layer or one coat of the aqua green, and then I will cure them and then come back, put on a blooming gel on all of them, just a thin coat, and then just start adding the purple randomly and some gold. As you can see, just there is no gold in fluorite, but it's just nice to have that on a nail design. And here is the thumbnail completed. I'm just putting a layer of top coat on that, and that nail is done. Now I'm just going to put a top coat on these, apart from the thumb because I've already done that, and they will be finished. I'll put them on the mannequin and I'll come back to show you the finished look. But these were very easy, and as I said in my previous videos, if you've watched them, the blooming gel is absolutely amazing when you want to do any type of marble or crystal looking nails, so that's been amazing. It does appear that a lot of the nail designs are similar in the sense that you just put on some blooming gel and some colors, but you know, that's what crystals are like. They're very random in terms of their patterns, and the blooming gel helps create that. So I'll be back in a sec, guys, and then I want to hear your thoughts. Now here they are, all finished and on the mannequin. I actually love them. I think they do look like the rainbow fluorite. Well, I did the best job I could anyway, but what do you think, guys? Would you wear them? Do you like them? Do you think they look like fluorite? I would love to hear any thoughts. If you like them and would wear them, please feel free to leave a heart or a nail emoji. If you don't feel like commenting, it just helps me to see that you do like my videos, and it shows some support and helps the algorithm for other people to see my videos. So would really appreciate it if you could show me some love there, so I know, and comment if you want to see other things from me, because you know, I do these videos for you guys and I'd love to actually do videos that you want to see. So please leave me comments, and thank you again for watching if you've come this far, and I will see you next time.